Hey guys, today we're making my daughter's favorite, chocolate chunk brownie muffins. To a bowl, add your flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, and caster sugar, and give that a mix using a whisk. Then add in your eggs, melted butter, and vanilla. Mix that until just combined, and that's just until you can't see any more of the flour mixture. Be careful not to overmix because that will result in a very dense and chewy brownie as opposed to a fluffy and fudgy one. Then add in your nuts and your chocolate chunks, and my preference is Cadbury Bourneville. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, fold in those ingredients and try to distribute it as evenly as possible. Then line a 12-hole muffin tin with paper liners and share your batter evenly between each liner. The best way for me to do that is to use an ice cream scoop, and the one I'm using here is 3 tablespoons. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, then I suggest using a rounded tablespoon per cupcake liner. The method that I'm using yielded 18.5 brownie muffins. When you're done with this, you're going to tap this batter lightly on the counter and place it in a 180-degree oven for 15 minutes only. When it comes out of the oven, it should still be a bit soft in the center. Allow it to cool slightly and remove the cupcake liner and serve that with some ice cream or some fresh cream. Enjoy!